Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some bacon fried rice. And here are my lovely colorful ingredients that I will be using for you today. So here I have my bacon, which I will be putting in the oven. So this is 6 smoked back bacon rashers, thick cut. Use whatever bacon you like. So if you like turkey bacon, you use your turkey bacon, right? If you like pork bacon, use whatever bacon you like, right? And if you like those little slim ones, then do what you gotta do. So I like putting my bacon in the oven. So that's what I'm gonna do. So at about 200 degrees Celsius or 220, I'm gonna put it in there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Look at bubblation. Look how beautifully bubbly that is. And here we are, ta-da, all done. So I'm going to set that aside just to cool a bit. So one of the reasons why I like putting my bacon in the oven is because I don't want to fry it, because bacon don't need any oil, right? And even if you do it in the pot, even if you fry it in the pot, you can just put the bacon in the pot without any oil. But I like putting it in the oven on the rack so that when it is cooked in the oven, the oil just run out on the tray, right? So it's less oily. So here I'm cutting off the edges of the bacon, right? I'm separating the crispy parts, the extremely crispy parts of the bacon, but not for all of them, right? And you will see what I will be doing with those crispy edges at the end. But yeah, so I like cutting off the crispy edges because I prefer my bacon crispy. I absolutely do, right? But if it's not all the way crispy, that's okay too, right? And worse, it's for the fried rice, it's all good, no problem, right? So yeah, cut it off. But as I said, not for every single piece, because this piece, well, put that in the bowl first. And this piece right here, I'm using all of it, right? So crispy piece and everything will be going in the bowl. So I just need a few crispy bits and bobs. So yeah, cut, 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 cut. Go chef, go chef, go chef, go chef, go chef, go chef. Come through with your little itty bitty knife work. Yeah, vibes Sam. So this is it, all done. Set that aside. And here I have a little bit of oil in my wok. And I'm just adding one whole onion chopped up, right? And I'm going to saute that until it's translucent, right? So just give it about 2 minutes of stirring, and yeah, or you can just leave it. So here I'm adding 1.5 tablespoon of chopped garlic, and that is chopped fine because I prefer it that way, right? And we're going to be stirring and stirring. A lot of stirring is going to be taking place, right? And here I'm adding my favorite sweet peppers. So vibes, Sam, guess what? Add what you like to your food. So if you don't like sweet peppers, you don't have to add that. Say you like mushroom, add your mushroom, right? As I always say, do what you gotta do, boo. Put what you like in your food. So leave this for about 2 minutes. And then voila, there it is. Check out the smoke. Smelling so good, but I'm gonna make it smell all better. Even betterer, right? That gonna smell betterer after I add what I need for add. And which is a little bit of, well, not the carrot. I thought the secret ingredients was coming up next, but no. Anyway, I grated some carrot just because I didn't want to cut it up, and I added that. But check it out. The secret ingredients, a little bit of bacon oil. So remember, put the bacon in the oven, and a little bit of the oil that drained from the bacon into the tray. Yeah, just take some of that and add it to maximize on flavor, and it makes it so good. So the kitchen smelling like bomb diggity right now, right? Smelling so good. So I added some scallion or spring onion, and stir and stir, stir. So vibes fam, as you can see, I added my bacon, right? And you want to stir that in, and we're going to leave it for about a minute or two, right? Yes, so we left it for about 2 minutes so all the flavors can just come together and everything infuse and just, like a big explosion of flavor in your mouth when you eat this. So here I'm adding 3 cups of cooked rice, pre-cooked rice, and 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Now, I'm using basmati rice. Use whatever rice you like. So brown rice, just use whatever rice. Your leftover, just use some rice, right? And yeah, just go ahead and stir that in. By the way, use the amount of soy sauce depending on the color to get the color, the preferred color that you like for your rice. I like mine on the bit of a darker side, right? So let's start off with 1 tablespoon first and then see if you like that. I knew what I needed, so I jump right in and I added 2 tablespoons, right? So start with 1. And then you can add another one if you think so. No, this don't brown enough. This don't make it. Yeah. So yeah, vibes some, and then you leave this again. You give it a little 2-3 minutes, and yeah, this is us. Ooh, and I add some leftover of the spring onions, the scallion. So I sprinkle it in there, a little pop of color. Vibes fam, look at the ingredients coming through. You see the onion, you see the scallion, you see the bacon, right? You see the carrot. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Tell me it don't taste good. It tastes good. Tastes really good. So let's just go ahead and just share it out. Share out time. Share out time. Dinner time. Bing-a-ling-a-ling. Dinner is ringing. Ding-a-ding. So yeah, vibes, go ahead and I'm showing you me throwing it out. And look at the steam. Hey, steamy. Steam. And vibes, fam, here we have it. Here we have this delicious bacon fried rice. And look what I'm doing with the crispy edges. Just sprinkling in at the top. And vibes, fam, it just give you that extra crunch and just add some extra flavor and just, yes. So yeah, vibes Sam, thank you so much for watching. And guess what? I'm gonna show it. Look what I added with salmon, and I'm going to link the salmon, the recipe for the salmon, the video in the description box. Thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and run over on Instagram and follow me. Thank you. God bless you.